Hey, we're at the Ice Institute. Check out some of the cool new things here from Otter, and I've got Marcus here. Marcus, tell us about this. This LED light system has been hugely popular, and you guys have kind of taken it up a step.
Yeah, we just continue to look at these lights and see what we can do to innovate them and just improve them year after year and listen to the consumer and kind of find out really what they're looking for. So what we did for the 2019 and 20 with our lights is we took them, we improved them, we changed the filament a little bit on this light to make it so you can actually have more of a spread out light. It's not so condensed. It really lights up the shelter better.
Nice.
What we also did is we added these clips right here. So what you see these are is you're able to actually remove this with a screw on the back. There's a Phillips size that you just unscrew it, and you can pop these in, and what that does is it allows you to attach them to the fiberglass poles of your hub. So now you don't need to use your straps anymore or Velcro. It comes with a 10 millimeter and 11 millimeter,
Nice.
so you can do the side or the front or top. Excuse me. And it works with all of the major manufacturers of fish houses. So what we've done is we've truly made this a universal product, and we're really excited about it.
Very nice. If people would like to find out more information about the Pro Universal LED Light Kit, where could they go to check it out?
Yeah, www.otteroutdoors.com. Click on Shelter Accessories, and we'll have a full lineup of accessories as well as this light you can find there.
That sounds great, Marcus. We are at the Ice Institute 2019.